Hello, people. I'm entering Mr. Orange Lego's Pokemon contest. So, yeah, let's get started. First up, I have my Pokeball. So, yeah, some people just use this and just draw white on it and just make it look like that. But really, you should get the Harry Potter Quidditch set and just use that. It looks a lot more better. I'm not saying all of yours looks bad and you should try this. I like yours, okay? So if you don't want to change it, you don't have to change it. It's just my opinion, you can change it. But even though they're still good. So next is my Pokemon Black and White trainer. He has the cap, the 3D hair, the hands, everything kinda, his little bag. Which is like the 2D strap, but the 3D bag. And also like the back of his cap. So yeah, he has everything. Pretty good. I'd like to just zoom it in. There's a light reflecting on it. Oh well, I can't really do it, but yeah, put my lamp on. Okay, so next I have my Pokemon. This little guy. I did more 3D stuff. Some people don't really do that much, but I did a lot. So yeah, next I have Chikorita. Can't really stick on the ground. Wasn't one of my best. I was gonna use Mr. Orange Lego's old Chikorita idea, but I didn't really want to copy him because I kind of accidentally noticed I copied a lot. So I'm going to stop. So yeah, I'm gonna let you have a good look at them. Right? Yeah, so here they are. Well, this is Max Wedgehead. This is Max Wedgehead. Bye.